listeners. You're listening to Mind's Eye Podcast, and this is the Mind's Eye Podcast Network. I'm Leroy Glover, your compass in the mind vast landscape. Today, we unveil episode 9, Navigating Life's Crossroads with Visualizations at the Junction of Life. It's our inner vision that casts the light on which path to tread. Every choice we make is a crossroad, leading us to uncharted territories of our future. With the mind's eye as our guide, we can peer down each potential path and discern the one that resonates with our deepest intentions. Now picture yourself at the crossroad, the signs pointing to various ventures and futures. With visualizations, we explore these paths in our mind, feeling out each step before we physically embark on them. Let's engage in a practical exercise. If you're driving, please do not close your eyes. Visualize 2 paths before you, each a different life decision. Walk down one path in your imagination. Observe the environment, the challenges, the triumph. Now, backtrack and explore the other path. This mental rehearsal primes us for the real life decisions ahead. And we'll explore more visualizing exercises. And this proactive approach has envisioning potential, challenges, and victories, crafting mental strategies to approach these future scenarios. And for those who seek further wisdom, here's some more books. I recommend Decisive by Chip and Dan Heath, a deep dive into the mechanics of making better choices. The Paradox of Choice by Barry Schwartz explores the liberations found in making informative decisions amidst a sea of options. And Malcolm Gladwell, Blink, Illuminate, the instinctive part of our decision-making process. As we draw this episode to a close, remember, life's crossroads are where our visionary and visualization skills truly shine. They are not to be feared, but embraced as the fertile grounds for growth and change. Thank you for joining me on the Mind's Eye Podcast. Next time, we'll illuminate visionary clarity seen beyond the fog in episode 10. Should be our final one. Until we meet again at the next crossroad, may your mind's eye lead you to the fiestas of your truest